What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here from DHL, my favorite courier. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. So we have a box inside the box. Slice this thing open. Okay, so we have what looks like a battery in here, and we have the FQ777 pocket drone FQ31. So let's check it out. Looks like we have a folding quad here. We have a card here for customer service, the guide, a thank you note on the back, and this thing is a little smaller than I expected. I thought this was going to be a little larger than what it is. So we have a screwdriver in here, a set of spare props there, and we have a USB charging cable. It looks like pretty short. We have a folding 4-axis aircraft operator guide. And this, I guess, details where you can get the app from and shows you how to use the app. This is a Wi-Fi quad. Works with your smartphone. So in here we have a clamp for your phone that goes on the top of the transmitter. And here's the little transmitter in here. So a really tiny Cyma style transmitter here. New age Cyma style. We have some shoulder buttons here. Kind of clicky there. We have two antennas there, two little stubs. And we do have altitude hold, self-centering throttle stick here. And the sticks feel pretty nice for it to be so small. We have some buttons here. This looks like a 1-key return. We have headless mode over here. 1-key takeoff and landing. And this is the emergency stop button. So this one here, I'm guessing it'll probably just fly backwards. This is the speed here, or rates. And this is to do flips. So really nice that it's labeled. This button here seems like it's not as clicky as the others. But let's have a look at the craft here. Let's get this out of here. And so, nice soft landing. It has some foam tips on the feet there. We have a camera up front there. And so this thing looks pretty awesome. We have a little on and off button here. Only one light, it looks like. So let's turn it back off. Oh, this is the battery here. Let's pull the battery out if we can. Oh, there we go. So proprietary battery here. And this battery is a 3.7 volt, 350 milliamp hour battery, 20C. So let's pop that back in. And let's see what this is in this box here. Oh, so this is some extra props for it. So they gave us 2 sets of props. I guess they sent us an extra, they sent us an extra 2 batteries and some more props in here. I don't know if this comes with it. Not really sure. But I've been treated to 3 batteries, it looks like. I don't know if this comes in the package normally. So you guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up really soon. And ultimately maybe a quick review or a full review. It's the FQ777 FQ31. Thanks for watching.